Now let's talk about access to justice. In Nigeria, 74% of inmates in prisons are awaiting trial. Some of these inmates can't even afford to get a lawyer. But an all-female group of lawyers is now offering free legal services to these poor inmates to bridge the gap. In our next report, we'll tell you just how these ladies are making this possible. Have a look.
The Samuel Ilori building in Lagos is pretty large.
It has 4 floors, 20 courtrooms and processes at least 300 cases a day. There is a lot going on. But if you take the side entrance directly opposite the security post, you'll find a tiny office taking on a big task. Its all-female team is helping inmates out of prison. Meet Oluyemi Orija.
Hello, I am the founder of Hertford Foundation. Being a lawyer, I go to court every day and I see inmates brought from prison to court for their cases or minor offenses. And I'm asking, why are they in prison for so long? They have no means of having a lawyer. They don't have that. Since our incorporation in March 2019, we have helped 127 persons out of prison.
Okay, back to the tiny office. Why is it so important?
Coronavirus happened. We couldn't even have any access to inmates at all because people are not allowed to go to the prison. So we thought to ourselves, let's have mobile offices structured in all of the courts in Lagos State. Your effort has brought us this far, but we can do better, we can do more.
And why float an all-female team?
We decided to float an all-women organization because we realized that women are very passionate when it comes to justice, and that has really worked for us.
The bulk of the group's funding comes from Oluyemi's law chamber, but they also raise funds online when they need to post bail for many people. And besides their mobile office work, the team just launched an app to make legal services available across Nigeria.
We want to be in all states in Nigeria. About 240 prisons that we have in Nigeria are overly congested, and that means they need our services. But how can we reach the 36 states of Nigeria? It takes technology.
On what Oluyemi said about overcrowded prisons, Nigeria's Minister of the Interior told BBC News that the government has identified congestion as a challenge and we are addressing it. But congestion is only an urban problem. There are other centers that are underpopulated. To address the issue, we are building 3,000 capacity custodial centers in 3 locations, and we will also introduce non-custodial sentencing. But while Nigerians wait for the government's intervention, Oluyemi's team is helping in its own little way.
There's a request on the app. Okay. This is Maria from Lawyers Now app.
With the app, the group's work is piling on. One of those they have helped is 53-year-old Adeolu Lawal. As a commercial bus driver, Adeolu was involved in an accident that destroyed goods in a shop. He spent 2 years in prison without being sentenced.
Tí mo sá wá sí ikùn ìlọ́n bá ṣe wá sàn bí wọ́n ṣe ní kí gbogbo wa ní ká lọ mọ fún wọn lórúkọ wa ká mọ sọ kóòtù tí à ń lò. Mo tẹ̀ ń bẹ̀rù pé bóyá owó ń kọ́ wọn náà ni wọ́n ṣe bí mo ṣe jáde. So mo sá ṣe wà ní ìta láti gbà ènìyàn láti gbà náà tá bá lọ kóòtù. Àwọn lọ́ọ̀yà náà tún wá náà tún assist mi náà. Ọlọ́run á wà pẹ̀lú àwọn náà. Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ kí iléeṣẹ́ wọn bàjẹ́ o.
I really enjoy what I do. I'm very passionate about the cause. You know, there is this joy that you can't really explain, you know. When you see somebody who was hopeless, who never thought anybody could come for him, and from nowhere, he saw someone fighting his cause and putting his matter on his head. So when you get one person out, you want to do more, you want to do more, you want to continue.
Interesting. Well done, ladies, for your service.